Okay, hi guys. I'm just going to show you how to set up your Fire Stick and give you a nice wee introduction to it. So first things first, this is what you're going to get in your box. Everything else is in there too also. Under here. Your batteries will be at this point here. Okay. And I'll show you that in a second. Pull that back. And here's your remote. So just slide easy, don't do it hard, just really nice and easy. Just push down right there and slide. You don't have to do it really hard. The harder you do it, the more difficult it probably is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here. I'm using the wee extension cable here, okay? So it's just because I use this a lot. I generally, if I'm just using it for myself, it's generally just plugged in straight into the TV from the side. Here's the power cable. It's plugged into the 3-pin adapter. It is best to use the 3-pin adapter because it gives off more power than your TV will. But then again, I've never really had any issues with using it plugged into USB on the TV as well. So here we go. I'm going to show you the real setup here. So it's just firing up at the minute. Just give it a minute. It's doing a lot of work. There we go. So this is how it's going to look when you first boot it up. Okay. You don't have to register, but it does make it easier to use if you do register for future reference. Okay, this is your main screen. Okay. Over here, you have a great little app called Aptoide. When you first load it, it's going to have a couple of wee tick box, or there's a wee tick box when you're going through it. Just make sure you go to, or you untick that wee tick box, okay? That's just for apps. That it means if you untick that wee tick box as you're going through the options, that you could download apps that aren't for, that actually aren't for the Fire Stick, that aren't available for Fire Stick, say Sky Go, Mobdro here, TV Catch Up, Live Sport TV, loads of ones. Mobdro's also in the Aptoide. It's gonna come up and say there's an update for Kodi. Don't update it. I can't stress that enough. Don't update it, okay? Because the Kodi setup is the best setup, the way you can get it at the minute, okay? Honestly, just don't update it. If you update it, you'll lose the best parts of this setup, okay? And I don't want that to happen, because then I'll get an email, oh no, how do I set it up again? Please don't update it, okay? So here we go. This is a brilliant wee app. It's called Mobdro, okay? So this is for live TV. It's fantastic, okay? Just press down, go into news, okay? Press OK on news. It wasn't built for Kodi. Oh, sorry, for Fire Stick. So as I say, this is one of the apps that would have been on another device, for phone or tablet or whatnot. There is every channel you can think of in here. I'm just gonna try this one. I haven't actually tried it. Yeah, there we go. Cartoon Network. Let's see what else have we got. Let's see if we find anything else here that is quite good. That's Fox, that's American Fox. Discovery Channel. Is it gonna run?
Which is performed at a low temperature to avoid deforming the metal.
No. And let's see. Cartoon Network we already had. FX. Oh. FX isn't working this time. That's a strange one. I wonder if there's another. There might be another link to it up here. So I've never had a problem with FX. Ah. There we go.
We're doing the best we can. Are you?
There we go. So if it doesn't work, there's probably going to be another link to it. Okay, so here's the main one, Kodi. Now, what I'm going to show you here is once this loads up. Now, if you've used Kodi before as well, this is going to look completely different, and it's amazing. Okay, it's completely fantastic in comparison to normal Kodi. It's Chris B's design. I can't take any credit for it, sadly. I wish I could, but sadly I can't. All credit has to go to him. So on your Kodi, or on your Fire Stick remote, if you want to get the mouse up, this is really handy for playing and pausing videos and stuff on Kodi. Just go, or playing and stopping videos and stuff on Kodi. Just go and press your home or your play pause button twice. You're going to see a wee circle come up on your screen, and there you go. You're going to have your mouse. Okay. So you can go across the screen with your mouse. Just press. Your left click would be your middle normal select button, and your right click would be your three bars here. If you can see it, there we go. There we go. So that one. Okay, so to get back to normal, just hit your play pause button once, and then you can just use it as normal. Okay, and here we have normal things like Sky Sports 2, Sky Sports and BT Sport. We'll open up a wee link here.
Excellent use of stability control there.
Something is awakening beyond
There we go.
beyond
Won't get much better than that for free.
And so it begins.
And what I'm going to do here actually is I'm going to show you me using that wee mouse, why it's useful. Okay, so I'm going to press on there, I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to stop that stream. Okay, that's why it's useful. You won't get that with other installs from people. Over here we have TV shows. This will practically have everything in it. Just like box sets, but better. Up to date, straight away, all the way you go. Family Guy, Simpsons. What I'm going to do here is, I'm going to show you, there is over here, there's a favorites button. This is in the sub menu. And what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to take that out and then I'm going to add it back in again. Okay, so we'll go to System. We'll go to Appearance. Don't click on that one, we'll try to avoid it, I do every time anyway. So you press across here to the right and you go to Settings, and down to Settings, press across the right again and select, and I'm going to go down to TV shows. Down here you have your Manage submenu. I'm going to press left twice and go over and go to Favorites. Don't press select, just press right twice, and I'm going to delete that out. Okay, so that is my favorite. That was favorites for Genesis. Okay, so I'm going to add a new one in now. I'm going to add the exact same one in. I'm going to go to Change Action, and I'm going to go to Add-on. Sorry, there we go, and then Video Add-on, and I'm going to go down to Genesis. So you can make a submenu shortcut go to anywhere really, and any add-on really, pretty much anyway. I'm gonna go to Genesis, or my Genesis. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go. Sorry, I didn't mean to go to that. It was me talking. So I'm gonna go to Video. I'm gonna go to Genesis. I'm going to go to TV shows, and I'm going to go down to favorites. You'll may not have noticed, but at the top of each of these sub-menus it'll have create shortcut to here. So anywhere you want a shortcut, just click it there. So I'm going to create shortcut to here, Okay. Then I'm just going to press my back button on the remote and go out of it completely. It's going to come up at the top of the screen, skin shortcuts, that's just creating your shortcuts. So what I did there is I deleted it out and then just added it in again. If you don't want it there, just leave it deleted. So TV shows, I'm going to press back here because it's at the very end, and I'm going to go to favourites. Okay, got a couple of favourites in there. Big Bang Theory and Walking Dead. That was from my creating the first two videos that botched up. So I'm going to go to the most popular. I'm going to add in another favourite. Let's see, Flash. We'll add the Flash. And here we'll have the wee 3 bars on the remote. Can you see it? We're going to press that again, your right click button. I'm going to add that to favourites. I'm going to go down to favourites in here in Genesis. And there we go, the Flash is there. So now when I go to favourites here, there we go. I'm going to remove these out. Just to remove from favourites, it's just select it and remove. There we go. Loads of stuff on here. Play about with it, enjoy it. Don't update it, please. You'll not really have to use this one too often, to be fair. You shouldn't really have to use anything. Sometimes when it starts freezing up and stuff, it only has a certain amount of RAM, like any computer. You just have to clear your cache, and that'll just clear. It just clears out of memory. Every computer has a cache build up, and that'll happen over time. So that's really it, guys. Thank you very much for buying, and please enjoy. Free movies, free TV, everything you want. Let's see, most popular movies in here. There you go. I actually generally use a different one myself because it's in here. It'll be Stale 2014. I usually use his one because it has the most up to date and best quality. It's always HD quality in here. He never really puts anything other than HD quality in, so you know it's the best. So we have Mr. Holmes, Knock Knock. I started watching that the other night and fell asleep. Black Mass, Johnny Depp's new film. Miss Pippi Grind. Mission Impossible, Pixel, all 180p or 1080p, sorry. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Right, guys, have a very good day and speak to you soon. Bye.